If you've lost access to your Etsy account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Etsy login page. Go to the Etsy website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password to attempt logging in. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. If you cannot log in, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Etsy account. Etsy will send the password reset link to that email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for the password reset email from Etsy. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Contact Etsy support. If you cannot access your email or do not receive the reset link, visit the Etsy Help Center. Use the Contact Us option to reach out to Etsy support for further assistance in recovering your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Etsy account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Etsy's customer support for help.